Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making cake pops. First, we're going to take it out of the bag and then cut it open. Now we're going to pour it in the bowl and then put the eggs.
Now we're going to put the water and oil in the bowl.
Then we mix and mix.
Mix and mix and mix
Until-
and mix and mix until the bubbles go away.
Now that it's all done, we can pour it in a container. Keep pouring until all the mix is out.
Oh no, I got it on my finger.
Now we're going to mix the chocolate fudge and put it on top of the batter. Now that the batter is finished, you're going to ask an adult to put it in the oven for you. Preheat it to 350.
2,000 years later.
Ask an adult to get the cake out of the oven for you and let it cool down. Now crumble the cake and put cream cheese for texture. And make cake balls. Now get a cookie sheet and put all the cake balls on it. Now melt some chocolate and put the cake balls in the chocolate and put some sprinkles on top. And then you're finished making the cake pop.